Shiloh had really bad eczema and cradle cap due to a milk allergy, and her skin just went wild. And once it did clear up, I found that lotions and other body butters didn't help keep her skin maintained, so I made up my own. So if you or your child has eczema, this is something that you can make at home to maintain healthy skin. Now, these are all organic products. You can find this in my Amazon storefront. So I'm using organic shea butter, organic cocoa butter, extra virgin coconut oil, chamomile oil, some petroleum jelly, and some vitamin E oil. And I just take all of that and I put it in a pot and I melt it all together. I don't have any set measurements, so you can just kind of just go off eye depending on how much butter you're trying to make. But the main ingredients is the coconut oil, the shea butter, and the cocoa butter. Those are like the base to this oil. And then the chamomile oil, the petroleum jelly, and whatever other oil you may want to put in it. Sometimes I put moringa oil if I have some, but I definitely use that vitamin E oil. So you just let it cool, pour it into a container. And when it cools, it'll turn solid like this. And it comes out like a nice oil consistency. And this is what I've been using to maintain her skin, to give her skin that glow. Try it out for yourself.